This is not a guide. I'm not here to teach you how to build websites or become an expert. Today I'm exploring card for the first time, documenting the process as it unfolds. There's no script, no agenda, just curiosity about what's possible and what isn't. We often see polished final products, but rarely the messy, uncertain beginnings. My goal is to share that honest, unfiltered first step. I've heard card is simple for creating one-page sites, perfect for someone who wants to start small. The promise: anyone can make a professional-looking site in minutes. I want to test that, using only the free plan. Many of us start with free tools, wanting to see what's possible before investing. This is for anyone wondering what they can achieve without spending money. I'll share what works, what doesn't, and where the boundaries are. This isn't a review or a tutorial, just a real-time look at a beginner's experience. Let's see what happens when you try something new, with no expectations. The promise of simplicity. I chose card because it's focused, one-page responsive sites, nothing more. In a world of overwhelming options, card's simplicity is refreshing. Fewer choices mean less paralysis and a faster path to getting something online. You're not building a massive store or blog, just a landing page, portfolio, or digital card. This clarity is comforting and sets expectations from the start. But simplicity comes with boundaries. Card makes decisions for you to keep things easy. My goal is to find those boundaries and understand the trade-offs of the free plan. What freedoms do you give up for this simplicity? I'm not here to complain, but to understand card's design philosophy. Why are some features limited? Who is this tool really for? It's about appreciating a tool for what it is, not what it isn't. Managing expectations is key. Let's see where card's simplicity shines and where it stops. After picking a template, the interface is clean and welcoming. I see the elements: title, text, buttons. I try to move things around but quickly hit a wall. The layout is strictly top to bottom. You can reorder elements, but not place them freely or create columns. The page is always a single vertical stack. At first this feels restrictive, but it's a deliberate choice. The single column layout keeps sites clean and mobile friendly. It's a safety net for beginners, ensuring quality and usability. For more creative layouts, you'll need to adjust your vision. The challenge becomes about the order of information, not placement. This forces you to focus on narrative flow and clarity. Card's first lesson. Simplicity means being intentional with your message. Editing text and buttons is easy, but I quickly find limits. I want to add a hyperlink within a sentence, only to learn it's a pro feature. On the free plan, text is static. You can't embed links in your writing. If you want to direct visitors elsewhere, you can't do it naturally in your text. Card offers buttons, so I try that next. I customize a button, but the option to link to an external site is also locked behind the pro plan. Free plan buttons only navigate within the same page. You can help visitors jump to a section, but not to your social media or store. The site is self-contained. You can display information, but not connect it outward. The buttons and text are functional, but only within your single page. The free plan gives you placeholders for connection, but not the real thing. For true interactivity, you'll need to upgrade. For now, your site is an island, clear but isolated. Visuals matter, and Card's free plan includes a gallery element. I upload a few photos. They display neatly in a grid. At first, it feels generous for a free tool, but I can't make images clickable or open in a lightbox. The gallery is static, great for a quick overview, but not for deeper interaction. You can't link images to projects or show them in high resolution. The gallery looks like a portfolio, but acts like a poster. It's a beautiful placeholder, not a functional showcase. For artists or photographers, this is a key limitation to note. After exploring these limits, Card's free plan reveals its purpose. It's not for building a full business or interactive portfolio. It's a sandbox, a safe space to draft ideas and clarify your message. The constraints force you to focus on what matters most. You can't get distracted by features. You have to hone your core idea. The free plan is about minimalism and intention. It's perfect for early-stage projects before you worry about marketing or integrations. Build a blueprint, not the final house. If you can make a compelling page here, you have a solid foundation. The free plan is for discovering if your idea is worth pursuing. My first experience with Card has been eye-opening. The free plan is perfect for drafting ideas and creating a simple online presence. It's a digital business card, a manifesto, or a landing page. The process was calm, with clear boundaries and no overwhelm. The real value is in experimenting before committing to a bigger vision. If I wanted more, links, interactive galleries, contact forms, I'd need to upgrade. The path to a more dynamic site is clear, but there's no pressure. For now, I'm content with my blueprint. If my project grows, I know what features are waiting. There's no hype, just a clear, honest progression. For beginners, that clarity is invaluable. Sometimes the best feature is knowing exactly where you stand. Wonderdome's clean systems. No fluff. Follow me. No obligation.